gonna shoot the Deagle today, the Golden Eagle. We're just putting it at 5 yards, and we're just trying to check for functionality today, me and my son, and let's see how this thing runs. All right, let's do it. Got these bad boys. We got this bad boy. Magazine with 3 rounds. So I put 3 in there. Safety off. All right, here's Luke. He's gonna give it a shot. Let's see how he does with the old Deagle. Now aim, make sure you get a good aim on this sucker. Hit me with the brass. It didn't lock back. You got another one in there? No. All right. We're up top. Hit me in the face. Yeah. We're shooting a little low here, so we're going to go to 3 yards. Let's see if we can do a little better. Sights are a little different, so step over to your right a little bit, Luke. To your right. So I can get you. Okay. All right, let's try it 3 yards. Which target you going for?
Top left.
Top left. Way low. I don't think we can adjust those sights, but it's more of a showpiece anyway. So. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna mag dump this sucker. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 round magazine. We're gonna mag dump it. See how she does. See how I do. One more. Well, maybe there's 7 in there. I can't get that one in, so let's roll with it. Y'all count. Let me know what you say. Ow! Cut it, cut it. All right, so we're gonna try this magged up again. She bit me on that last, when I wrecked the slide, I had my finger in the way. So, just gotta learn, gotta be smart. All right, let's do the mag dump. Mag dumping the Desert Eagle, here we go. Let's do it.